pretty much, yeah.
So, Telly is now a Holocaust denier.
He's a what?
Holocaust denier.
Oh my God. I got on his case because he's been doing all these selfies. He did something like 14 selfies. It was like, man.
Embracing his legend status. I saw that piece of shit.
Oh yeah. He's a legend.
He sent me a post today showing that the Bondi Beach thing that happened in Australia, trying to say that some of the footage was AI, insinuating that it didn't really happen.
Boy, the way he...
So I replied back to him. I said, great, you're a Nazi now? You know, really great what you've done with your life, Telly. Way to make the parents proud.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he comes up with some shit, I'll tell you.
Hello.
Hey, Donny, how you doing?
Doing all right. How are you?
Oh, good.
Here comes Brisket Daddy.
Yeah.
AKA Brisket Pappy.
Hey, there's Gregory. All right.
Hey.
The Brisket Pappy.
We can't hear you. You're on mute.
Yeah. Oh, I am in the right account.
Yep. There it is.
I thought I was going to have to log out and get into a different account, but it looks like I'm in the right account.
And there's the Paranormal Soul Brother.
Let me, I got to go take care of something. I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right. What's up, Zandine? You're on mute, too.
And so we're just missing one other person. That would be Justin. And we'll see him.
Justin's supposed to show up.
Yeah.
You see that? You see Zandine doing the splits on that video?
Yeah.
See, Jean-Claude Van Damme. That made me hurt just looking at it. You know, I couldn't do that even when I was young, though. I could never do splits like that.
Well, now, I didn't do splits, but when I was a professional dancer, I did backflips.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
We used to do the thing where you lay on your back and you force yourself back up to your feet.
Yeah.
Like that was the cool trick to do, but I could never do a split. Even after we watched Van Damme do it, we used to like try to force ourselves by, you know, to try to have your friends push your shoulders down and put weights on you. I could never do it.
No.
It's just not built for it.
Well, I definitely couldn't do it now. I'm 70 years old. I'll be breaking my back. Jeez.
I was so impressed with Zandine. I'm like, man, he can still do it.
But he's still young, though. He's still young.
I think Zandine's immortal. He's not showing his age. I think maybe he's a daywalker. I think Zandine might be Blade. He might be the real Blade.
Yeah. He told me his real age, but he doesn't want me to disclose it.
Hey, I love you for that, Phil. It's only with you. Hey. Now, Phil, hey, you're holding it together, Phil. And you know, and we'll be lucky if we go as long as this storm, man. This younger generation, we're not getting out of the box, man. We're not lasting.
You're right, they're dropping like flies around us. What's up, Justin?
What's up, guys?
Oh, there's Justin. I'll tell you. We got everybody.
It's going.
We got everybody.
There we go. Boom.
So when Greg...
You want to dress for Christmas, huh?
All
right, well, Brisket Daddy just outdid me. Look at the hat he's got.
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
Marketing 101, Phyllis.
Awesome. Damn, it's got your logo on it, too. Look at that.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's awesome. Is that a motorcycle helmet?
It's a noggin. Charlie Brown special. That's tight. Like Yeah, I tell people, if you like the hat, you'll love the food.
All right.
So, Paul, you want me to
Yeah, let's
go ahead
get
and start recording?
let's get started.
Paul, you're on mute.
Oh, okay.
God damn it, Paul.
Okay, let's get started.
This meeting is being recorded.
Let's get this mother started. I mean, we got Brisket Daddy, and we're going to be talking about brisket, steak, mashed potatoes, potato salad. How does he do it? I mean, what's his secret? You know, how does he prepare this brisket and steak and everything else? So, we're going to talk to Brisket Daddy, and then we're going to talk to everybody what their favorite foods are when they were growing up. What did their mom go in the kitchen and cook? I mean, we're going to talk about food, and we're going to talk about food. I don't know if I mentioned this, but we're going to talk about food. So, we got Brisket Daddy. Brisket Daddy, how did you get started cooking all this great stuff? How did you start your business? Tell us about it.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for having me on the show again. Phil, Paul, Donny Cho,